Hello and welcome. In my video today I'm gonna show you my new phone, Xiaomi Redmi 7A. I decided to downgrade my phone from Motorola to Xiaomi, and because I was impressed with reviews about the phone, so I'm gonna open it and we're gonna see what's inside the package. So I have my knife here to package. Right now it's very hard to take this off. Alright, okay, so let's put it on the side. So we have a standard packet with all the, I think, necessary documentation and SIM card remover, right? Itself, right? The nice package, and I don't know, some plastic, some paper, and some charger. But charger is like a European charger. It's strange. I didn't order that, and that's sorry, and that's USB. It's micro USB. All right. So put it on the side, and we're gonna see the phone itself. All right. Very nice looking phone. Okay. All right. Now let's see if there's a juice in there. Right. Okay. Oh yes. Okay. So that's my unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi. It's a nice phone, right? All round, very nice looking phone, right? Okay, so that's my unpacking of my Xiaomi Redmi 7A. I will get back to you once I tested it, and right, I'm gonna install screen protector soon, and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna see how it performs day to day, and I'm gonna tell you what my experience was after 1 week with the phone, and that's it. So I hope to see you next week, next video, and